I love testing new face products. I came across this caffeine eye cream. The word caffeine really piqued my interest. This is both a day and night eye cream, day and night, and it has caffeine in it, which really made it more interesting to me. So I've been testing it out, and from the first dab, it felt nice under my eyes. It was lightweight, it was cooling, and I rubbed it in, and I felt like it wasn't really greasy at all. The caffeine I like because for me, the caffeine is like an instant pick-me-up, tightening that puffiness fast. This did have a silky formula. Let me just show you what it looked like. It's like a silky formula. It's gone. It rubs right in beautifully, which I really did appreciate. So you can put it under concealer, and it's not gonna like get that weird, I have too much stuff on my face look, but I liked it. It's goes right into the skin. I really also like in here the peptides and the bark extract. So those things are going to quietly work in the background, hopefully to get rid of, the puffiness and the dark circles. But hey, would I buy it again? Sure. The word caffeine is, gets me every time. But for me, it's in the early days, and this one does have promise. It feels kind of like a secret weapon for me. I like the packaging. And so far, so good. It is simple. It is cost effective. And the caffeine is going to be energizing enough to really help those tired eyes, make you look like you got a full 8 hours when you didn't. We won't tell. But I do recommend.